Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss on a very important taxonomic tool, that is Flora. Components of this video: meaning of flora, utility of flora, types of floras, flora writing, species description, and components of flora. What do you mean by a flora? A flora is a systematic account of plants of a defined geographical area, which provides keys and descriptions of plants for the purpose of identification. Uses of a flora: it is useful to the teachers, researchers, students of botany as well as agriculture. The second one is the identification of plants, evaluation of phytogeography pattern, assessment and management of with respect to biodiversity, forest ecosystem, plant information of a particular geographical area, medicinal information of the plants available in that geographical area, then assessment of rare and endangered species. Types of floras. The first one is continental flora. For example, Flora of Europea by D. A. Webb. Country flora, that is the Flora of British India, published in 7 volumes. Another example is Flora of India, published by Botanical Survey of India in 23 volumes. And the third category is the provincial floras. For example, Flora of Presidency of Madras by J. S. Gamble and Fisher in 3 volumes. Similarly, the Flora of Presidency of Bombay by T. Cook in 3 volumes. And the fourth category is the state floras. For example, Flora of Karnataka by Cecil J. Saldana, Flora of Andhra Pradesh by Pullaya, district floras, Flora of Hassan district by Saldana Nicholson, Flora of Bangalore district by S.V. Ramaswamy and B. Razi. Another example is Flora of Mysore district by R.R. Rao and B. Razi. Flora of Tumkur district by V. Bhaskar and Kushalappa. Flora of Chikmagalur district by Yoga Narasimhan, Subramanyam and B. A. Razi. These are some of the images of the floras published. Flora of British India by Hooker. Then Records of Botanical Survey of India, which is a part of Flora Arabica, published by Blatter. And Flora of Southern Western Ghats and Palanis, Pipa Mukherjee. This is the image of Flora of Tumkur district by Bhaskar and Kushalappa. Then Flora of Chikmagalur district by Yoga Narasimhan. Local floras. Flora of Udupi by K.G. Bhatt. Flora of Anishi National Park is a part of Western Ghats of Karnataka by Sachin Punekar. This is the another category of floras, that is the electronic floras, that is also called as digital flora. It is nothing but the digitized form of a flora. For example, Flora of Peninsular India, maintained in the Indian Institute of Science. Similarly, Digital Flora of Karnataka is another example. This is eFlora of India. This is nothing but the database of plants of Indian subcontinent developed by members of eFlora India, a Google group. eFlora BC, that is Electronic Atlas of Flora of British Columbia. Flora writing. The first point is the identification of the study area, and the second one is the geographical information of the study area and the ecological information, and thirdly the forest zone, collection of the maintenance of fieldwork, identification of specimens with the help of keys and floras, nomenclature of the species, author citation, botanical keys, description of the species, a new species, arrangement of families according to an accepted system of classification, then species descriptions. It should contain the correct name, the vernacular name, the clear description of the variation, distributional pattern, ecological information, the uses, conservation status, nativity or exotic components of a flora. It should contain the title, geography, environmental condition, taxonomic treatment, nomenclature, vernacular name, description, cultivar, phenology, distribution, and ecological data. And also the uses of the plants, the conservation status of the plant species, origin, list of voucher specimens, summary statistics, bibliography, illustrations, and lastly index. These are all some of the references